Maybe we can sell them at a police station.
A police station? What a laugh. They don't put these kind of hubcaps on cop cars.
Guys, that coffee check, let's go! Go!
Wait a minute! It's Kaniki!
Hey, put those hubcaps back in the car, dipstick. Jeez.
What a crowd, Nick. There's only for you, so nobody can swipe them.
Yeah, where'd you get these cool dice?
Hey, Nicky, what are you doing with this hunk of junk anyways?
Hunk of chunk. This is grease lightning.
You're kidding me, right? You expect to be making out this freaking sardine can?
Hey, get better, Thierry.
What's this, candy apple caramel?
Yeah, alright. Wait till I soup up the engine, give her a new paint job. She'll be working like a champ.
Yeah, the one and only Grease Lightning!
Grease lightning! I'll be a friend, live 'cause I had a 4-barrel bottle, yeah.